And hello guys, today I'm gonna play Beyblade X. These are my Bey. Leon Claw, Hell's Chain, Sor Phoenix, and Dran Dagger. Let's see who's much stronger. Leon Claw or Hell's Chain. Let's do it. This is my stadium. It's just homemade, so it can have a extreme rail. Ready, guys? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot! It's up to 3, guys. Look. Oh. 1-0 for Hell's Chain. 1. Leon Claw 0. Go. 2-0 for Hell's Chain 2. For Leon Claw 0. Okay, again. 1-2 for Leon Claw. It's 1 for Hell's Chain 2. 3-1. Hell's Chain wins. Let's see who's much stronger. Dran Dagger or Sor Phoenix. Let's see who's much stronger. 1. Sor Phoenix win. 1-0. 3, 2, 1, go. 2-0. 2-1 goes. 1-2. Cool. Hey, again. Oh, sorry. I mean 3, 2. The winner is Sor Phoenix. Let's see who's much stronger. Sor Phoenix or Hell's Chain. Let's see. 2, 1, go shoot. Go shoot. Zero, 1. Okay, 1-1. Tie. 2-2. The winner is Sor Phoenix. Goodbye, guys. Don't remember to like and subscribe to my vlog to see more videos. Bye.